If you're thinking about buying your first home in 2025, this video could save you thousands of dollars and months of stress. Stay tuned for the 5 essential things you absolutely need to know before taking the plunge. Hi there, and welcome to Property Insider. I'm Ben, and I've been studying the real estate market for years. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 most crucial things every first-time buyer needs to know before they start house hunting in today's market. The housing landscape has changed dramatically, and being prepared is more important than ever. Let's jump right in with the most fundamental aspect of home buying that trips up so many first-timers. Number 1, understand your true budget. The biggest mistake I see first-time buyers make is focusing solely on saving for the down payment. While that's important, it's just one piece of the financial puzzle. First, let's talk about the 28% rule. Financial experts recommend that your monthly mortgage payment shouldn't exceed 28% of your gross monthly income. So if you make $6,000 per month before taxes, your mortgage payment should ideally stay under $1,680. But here's what many people miss. That mortgage payment isn't your only housing expense. You need to budget for property taxes, homeowners insurance, possibly PMI, private mortgage insurance. If your down payment is less than 20%, HOA fees, if applicable, utilities, which are typically higher for a house than an apartment, maintenance and repairs, budget about 1% of your home's value annually. Then there are the one-time costs that surprise many buyers. Closing costs, typically 2 to 5% of the loan amount. Moving expenses, initial furnishings and appliances, immediate repairs or renovations. And finally, don't drain your entire savings for the home purchase. You should maintain an emergency fund of at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. Home ownership comes with unexpected costs, and you'll need that financial cushion. Number 2, get pre-approved for a mortgage, not just pre-qualified. These terms sound similar, but they're worlds apart in terms of power in the home buying process. Pre-qualification is a quick, informal process where a lender gives you an estimate of what you might be able to borrow based on information you provide. It's a useful starting point, but it holds little weight with sellers. Pre-approval, on the other hand, involves a thorough review of your finances. The lender will check your credit, verify your income and assets, and give you a specific loan amount they're willing to offer. You'll receive a pre-approval letter that shows sellers you're serious and capable of closing the deal. In today's competitive market, many sellers won't even consider offers without a pre-approval letter. It's essentially your ticket to getting in the game. To get pre-approved, you'll need recent pay stubs, W-2s, or tax returns from the past 2 years, bank statements, investment account statements, identification documents. Pro tip: shop around. Rates and terms can vary significantly between lenders. Even a small difference in interest rate can save you thousands over the life of your loan. Number 3, research neighborhoods like a professional. Finding the right neighborhood is just as important as finding the right house. Start by researching school districts, even if you don't have children. Good schools typically indicate a stable neighborhood and help maintain property values. Next, investigate future development plans. Is there commercial construction planned nearby? New schools or parks? Infrastructure improvements? These can significantly impact your property value. Don't just check commute distances. Safety is paramount. so research crime statistics. Many police departments offer this data online, or you can use websites like Neighborhood Scout. Visit the neighborhood at different times of day and on different days of the week. A quiet street on Tuesday morning might be a parking nightmare on Saturday night. Finally, talk to potential neighbors if possible. They can provide insights you won't find online about community feel, noise levels, and local issues. Number 4. Never skip the home inspection. In hot markets, some buyers waive inspections to make their offers more attractive. This is an enormous risk that can lead to devastating financial consequences. A professional home inspection typically costs $300 to $500. Home inspectors examine the structural integrity of the home, roof condition, electrical systems, plumbing, HVAC systems, appliances, signs of water damage or mold, pest infestations. Major red flags to watch for include foundation issues, roof damage, outdated electrical systems, and plumbing problems. These can cost tens of thousands to repair. If the inspection reveals issues, you have options. Ask the seller to make repairs, request a credit toward closing costs, renegotiate the price, or in serious cases, walk away from the deal. Remember, no house is perfect, so focus on the major issues that affect safety, habitability, and finances rather than cosmetic concerns. Number 5. Understand that timing the market perfectly is nearly impossible, but time in the market builds wealth. I often hear people say they're waiting for the perfect time to buy. The reality is, there is no perfect time. Current market conditions in 2025 show insert current market trends based on your location. However, historical data consistently shows that real estate appreciates over time, despite short-term fluctuations. The longer you own your home, the more likely you are to build equity and wealth. Instead of trying to time the market perfectly, focus on buying a home you can afford. Plan to stay for at least 5 to 7 years if possible. Make sure the home meets your needs for the foreseeable future. Consider your personal timing. Remember, a home is both a place to live and an investment. The primary purpose should be having a place that meets your needs and where you'll be happy living. To recap, the 5 essential things every first-time homebuyer needs to know are: understand your true budget beyond just the down payment. Get pre-approved, not just pre-qualified. Research neighborhoods thoroughly. Never skip the home inspection. Focus on time in the market rather than perfect timing. Buying your first home is both exciting and intimidating. By keeping these 5 principles in mind, you'll be well equipped to navigate the process successfully. If you found this information helpful, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss future videos on real estate tips and market insights. What's your biggest concern about buying your first home? Let me know in the comments below, and I might address it in an upcoming video. Next week, I'll be breaking down the mortgage application process step by step, so you know exactly what to expect. Until then, happy house hunting!